Ever wondered why we say kick the bucket when we mean someone died? Or spill the beans to reveal a secret? Hey guys, welcome to Fitta Academy. In this video, we will learn advanced phrases that will help you sound like a native speaker, especially in your workplace. Firstly, what is an idiom? An idiom is a common word or phrase with a figurative, non-literal meaning that is understood culturally and differs from what its composite words denotations would suggest. Blah, blah, blah. We will tell you what an idiom is. Idiom is a phrase or a couple of words that do not literally mean what they supposed to mean. Think outside the box. Nope, that's not what your boss meant when they asked you to think outside the box.
All right, everybody start thinking outside the box.
Thinking outside the box, Ronnie Ann.
A little bit more creative. Think outside the box.
Think outside the box.
Thinking outside the box actually means thinking creatively or unconventionally, to consider alternative solutions.
And now you want to do more of that. So thank you very much.
Cut to the chase. Nope, that's not it. You're probably wondering if it actually means this every time someone says,
Cut to the chase.
Just cut to the chase.
I'll cut to the chase.
Cut to the chase?
it actually means skip the boring bits and get to the important stuff. It's like fast-forwarding through life's less interesting moments. Play it by ear. Nope, that's definitely not what it means. When someone said,
Let's go play it by ear.
Play it by ear.
Okay, we'll play it by ear.
Let's play it by ear.
it actually means making decisions as you go along.
You take the first note here, second note, second string.
Just like how a musician improvises their melody on stage.
To play these notes.
Spill the tea. Nope, that's not what your colleagues meant when they ask you to spill the tea after a meeting.
Spill the tea!
And you would have heard this term in almost every paparazzi video. Picture a steaming hot pot of gossip bubbling with juicy details. If you lift the lid and let it all pour out, everyone will know what's been brewing. That how the idiom spill the beans has emerged too. Not a tea person? Then this is your idiom. Now imagine a magical beanstalk filled with secrets. Everyone will know your secret if you climb it and the beans spill out. Spill the tea and spill the beans are similar idioms where spill the beans means accidentally telling a secret. Spill the tea means to share gossip or hot news with someone. Keep someone in the loop. Nope. That's not how you keep your manager in loop.
I will keep you in the loop.
Please keep me in the loop.
Good, keep me in the loop.
Okay, I'll keep you in the loop.
Imagine being part of a secret club. You're always in the know, right?
It actually means
Including people in the circle of information. Up to speed. Yeah, well, that's what they mean when they ask you to get them up to speed, literally.
Up to speed?
We're up to speed.
bring her up to speed.
Bring me up to speed.
Imagine feeling lost in a conversation, and when someone says you need to get up to speed, it actually means becoming knowledgeable about something quickly, just like Sonic giving a tortoise a lift. Turn the tables.
Well, well, well. How the turntables...
Nope, that's not how they say it. It's actually,
See? I turn the tables.
But the doll turned the tables.
Not turning over the tables for her?
Now we turn the tables.
have you ever been losing a game and then magically won? That's how you turn the tables. It actually means reversing a situation to your advantage.
At which point, Dwight felt comfortable revealing that he also was a double agent, and then Michael announced to everybody that, get this,
I didn't do it.
Okay.
Everybody just calm down. Count of three. We're all...
Get the hang of it. Nope, not that.
You'll get the hang of it.
You'll get the hang of it. Now you get the hang of it.
Get the hang of it.
It actually means struggling with a task initially, then succeeding with ease. Read between the lines. Nope, definitely not that.
Reading between the lines.
Read between the lines, Theo.
Read between the lines.
Read between the lines.
Have you ever received a text that seemed a bit off? You had to read between the lines to understand the real meaning. This often happens when someone is flirting or sarcastic. Read between the lines is used when you need to understand the hidden or implied meaning behind someone's words or actions. Dot your I's and cross your T's. Well, not the same, but similar.
We just need a little bit of time to dot the T's and cross the I's.
You to cross some T's, dot some I's.
It actually means
Paying close attention to detail, making sure everything is perfect. No room for errors here. Well, back to the drawing board. Not exactly that.
Back to the drawing board.
Back to the drawing board.
back to the drawing board, Montgomery.
Back to the drawing board.
It actually means
Starting over from scratch when your plan didn't work out. Just like an artist, you need to rethink your strategy and try again. On the same page. Nope, that's not what your manager meant when he asked you to be on the same page with your teammate.
On the same page.
We're on the same page.
We're all on the same page.
Stayed on the same page.
It actually means agreeing on something. Just like how when you read the same book, you both understand the story. Break a leg. Nope, that's not what your colleagues meant when they cheer you by saying break a leg.
Break a leg.
Break a leg.
Break a leg. Break a leg.
It actually means a wish for good luck for your performance. So the next time, in a job interview or a work presentation where you actually perform, and someone says, break a leg, don't worry about your bones. Let the cat out of the bag. Nope, that's not what it meant when someone says,
Cat's out of the bag.
Cat's out of the bag.
Let the cat out of the bag.
Picture this. You've got a big surprise planned. And you accidentally.
Well, technically, Stella let the cat out of the bag.
it actually means
You revealed a secret by mistake. So, be careful what you say around curious cats. Stay on top of things. Nope, not that, but
She's staying on top of things.
We're on duty. Stay on top of it.
I'm just trying to stay on top of things.
Stay on top of things.
it actually means
managing everything effectively and efficiently. Juggling work, life, and everything in between. Comment your favorite workplace idiom. Like, share. Subscribe to Fit Academy for more.